In this lecture, we'll start by exploring the Lightroom interface and building our first catalog. A catalog is a virtual folder in Lightroom that contains all the images we'll be working on. Let's go ahead and open the program. Now go to File and select New Catalog. On your desktop, open the Lightroom Catalogs folder we created and save this as Catalog 1. Click Create. Lightroom will automatically restart and open the catalog that we just created. We can confirm that the catalog is in our Catalogs folder. And there it is, Catalog 1. The LRCAT is the catalog extension. That's the file extension that Lightroom applies.